guys, good morning, good day sa inyo, good evening. So biyahe tayo, dito tayo. Malamig ang panahon namin, it's -5, it's springtime. Buhay natin dyan guys. Kamusta ang araw nyo ngayon? Itong nakikita nyong aret is stop yan both side. Yan, dyan, sa doon. So ibig sabihin yan is forward, first come first serve, you know, kung sinong nakauna bigayan, give and take kayo. So, gaya nito, no? Tapos pedestrian